Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make some earrings with scraps of fabric and ELMER'S glue. So let's get started. Here are some of the fabrics that I have used. It's a husband's shirt. This was also from a polo shirt. This is a small little piece, and that's as much as you need to make one pair of earrings. And that little piece came from an old pair of capri pants. And here's how you're going to prepare your fabric. I'm working on a piece of wax paper. And you're just going to take your piece of fabric, and here's the inside, and some ELMER'S glue. Put some ELMER'S glue on, and that's much more than I need, so I'm going to wipe off what I don't need, and I'll use it for the other ones. So you're just going to rub that. So you're going to brush that glue on, like that, and then fold your fabric over and press it down like that, and you're just going to set that aside to dry. Okay, I have all my fabrics hardened up. You can see they're quite hard, quite stiff. And I took an index card and I folded it in half, and I cut a rectangle and just this little teardrop shape, like that. Because now I can place this down and see exactly what I'm going to have. So then I'll just take a pencil and I'll make my line around. Move it over, and I can see exactly what I'm getting. And I can see those lines well enough to be able to cut these out like that. So I'm going to go ahead and mark all these and cut them out. And you could also use a black marker to mark your earrings and then cut them out so that the black mark is along the outside. Like that. And if you want some glitzy earrings, you could do the same thing with a glitzy ribbon. I'm just going to take a piece of cardboard and a map tack, and I'll puncture a hole like that. And then I'll attach a jump ring. And I have an ear wire that I've attached a couple of beads to, and I'll attach that and close up my jump ring. And there you'll have an easy fabric earring. And I put a link below where you can learn to make your own ear wires. And I also put a link where you can learn how to make your own jump rings, and you can make these any size.